So here's SmartThings app, which you can use with all your Samsung devices. One of the most useful features here, if when you're adding your Samsung TV, you can just open it up, tap on the TV, and then you can just use it as a remote. So it automatically opens up as a remote, and then yeah, it has all these main buttons where you can just go right, left, bottom, up, and then you can just go home. You can just swipe, tap, and then you can just search. So the cool feature, if you know, is if you yeah, you can always access this TV remote in the bottom right, and then yeah, you can just use it for typing some things, like if you don't like to type on with the remote, you can just use it for search like this with your phone. That can be handy, because with Apple TVs, which are the feature they have I really like, is when you start typing something, instantly you get a notification on your phone, and then you can just type much faster on your phone. So that's just what it is. That's how you can just type, use the keyboard. But yeah, for any other thing, if you just don't like Samsung TV remotes, original remotes, you can use your phone. So there you have it.